Tána mór sport eile a going díomh mar sin idir fellagus amáint go bheici de chéile an deir seachna se chuing slán Táimid.
We're in the middle of a global and national emergency, the likes of which none of us have seen before. Large public gatherings are cancelled. All pubs and bars are shut. I know these choices won't be easy, but they are necessary.
It is not war and death and famine. It's not that at all. It's the opposite of that. It's to persuade us of the world outside of that. That's why sport's important.
We've come a long, long way together, through the hard times and the good. I have to celebrate you, baby. I have to praise you like I should. We've come a long, long way together, through the hard times and the good. I have to celebrate you, baby. I have to praise you like I should. I have to praise you. I have to praise you. I have to praise you. I have to praise you like I should. I have to praise you like I should. You're so rare, so fine. I'm so glad you're mine. You're so